What's going on, guys? Derek here of Legendary, and today is the last day of the DropFunnels affiliate contest. So if you want to give me any chance at all of winning this thing, you got to smash that subscribe, like, and drop a comment on this video. With that being said, I just got off the Zoom with a potential client who's interested in a funnel design, and she's actually into bookkeeping and looking for some business clients. So we chatted a little bit. And I actually told her I think DropFunnels is going to be the best fit for her because she gets all the funnels she needs, plus that blog for content marketing. So long term, DropFunnels is still usually my top recommendation when I look at all the funnel builders out there, even compared to Legendary. I think of Legendary as an add-on to DropFunnels to kind of enhance things. We've got an awesome calendar appointment system. We've got the SMS automation, all the automated follow-up and voicemail drops and stuff like that in Legendary. But as a platform where you're, building your authority and your space online, I think DropFunnels is still pretty much the best bang for your buck because you get unlimited funnels, unlimited blog posts. You can build it out over time. It kind of depends on the business you're in, but for her, she's going to be doing this long term. She wants to build, funnels that bring in traffic and new clients, and also the content would help her over time. So I did tell her DropFunnels is still offering that 30-day free trial through today, so she might want to just go ahead and snag that. And you guys can do the same thing. So I'm going to drop this link below. So if you want to take advantage of the DropFunnels 30-day free trial, you can do that through the end of the day today. Just to show you a couple sites I built on DropFunnels, I sent these same ones to her. So here's the Legendary lead site, and you can see the DropFunnels builder up here. So I could edit this since I'm logged in if I wanted to, but yeah, this is the type of quality of funnels and sites you can build on DropFunnels. And here's the one for the Genius apps. I'll drop these links below as well, so you guys can check these out. But highly recommend jumping in like I told her to do and locking in that 30-day free trial, guys, because that is going to probably be gone tomorrow. This was a November special. I don't know if they're planning to extend it through December, but as of now, today's the last day to get this. So I would just highly recommend jumping in, giving it a try. If you need help with a specific project, you need funnel design, I'm available for that as well. You can see I'm not too pricey, and since I was doing my Cyber Week specials, I also offered this to her. So some of you saw I kind of switched gears from DropFunnels. I was slamming it hard for the first week of the competition, and then I realized Black Friday was coming, kind of made a switch, but I did bring in some revenue. So even if I lose this contest, I made out ahead with that pivot. But now I'm back for the last day, trying to get some additional content out, just in case something crazy happens. So with that being said, I'll probably have one more video for you guys today, just a special one to wrap up this DropFunnels affiliate contest and let you guys know what's coming up next. But with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. After this week, I'll be diving back into Legendary features and training, so stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys. Drop some love on the channel or wherever you see this. Give it some love to help the algorithms. Drop a comment or question if you have any, and I'll talk to you guys soon. You stay legendary.